In today's environment, the rapid advancements of information technology and Industry 4.0 industrial methods have expelled the advent of fourth industrial revolution, and as which is termed as the Industry 4.0. And the COVID has accelerated the adoption of the digital transformation in a faster pace. In the blockchain environment, you have to know the important fundamentals aspects of the securing of the data and transparency of the data and sorting of the data in the digital environment, which is the need of the day and the future. There are many benefits and bottlenecks in the adoption of digital emerging technologies. You name like few, like the Internet of Things, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and many other technologies in the current environment and the future technological space. For example, you can have real-time insights, productivity, efficiency, people, information, processes, and so on. The ROI is also a key concern in today's environment. For example, to name a few, right, the skills enhancement, the environment, and the adoption. So we at DIGIOTAI take care of all these aspects and make them, make the industries make a digital transformation journey in a successful roadmap. DIGIOTAI worked on the first of its kind Industry 4.0 digital transformation initiative by the various pilots and digital transformation projects. And we are the first of its kind pilot done for a used car market, which is the first of its kind, which uses the leveraging of the new digital emerging technologies. So in this, we have used the IoT network, the IoT telematics, and also the IoT databases and the digital transformation initiatives, the blockchain has an integrated approach. We are the first of its kind use the data convergence approach. Our platform covers all the digital transformation technologies and Industry 4.0 initiatives, and we help the companies in their entire roadmap journey and strategies. So what we did in this case, right, we have worked on the first of its kind as described above is the used car segment. So the today's current challenges has a siloed approach. What we did in that particular used car segment market, the first pilot project we have done for an energy company, where we have initiated the IoT telematics data, integrated into the machine learning aspects, and then integrated into the blockchain technology, where we leveraged the technology of the IoT sensor data, as well as the machine learning, analyzing and automating the data, and finally making it to secure data. So this is the first of its kind, which have value to the customers and uniquely defined so that it gives the true value of the used car data. We have involved in one of the biggest heavy machinery industry, where we leveraged the SAP data and IoT data, integrated into the machine learning and giving the predictive healthiness of the machine. And also we involved in the automotive market to see the connected vehicle health, and also the EVs, which is known as electric vehicles, which is in the current market, to see the performance of each car, pilots and implementations on the energy and utilities to see the energy efficiency. For example, right, you want to see how much consumption is happening for the industrial perspective versus the consumer perspective. In the new economy, so people are looking at the collaborative approach and as well as the integrated approach. So you as we say that, right, the AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT and blockchain as an integrated. So we came up with known as the data convergence. What is data convergence? Data convergence is mainly as an integration of all these technologies in a consolidated ecosystem. We should not think as a silos. We should be thinking as an integrated approach, where we see the value. We see the value of the data in one aspect, where it can be connected, collected, aggregated, analyzed, automated, and provide a value to the customer. So in this aspect, we have done a deeper thinking and analysis. That's what our main DICE platform talks about, is this, which the convergence approach, which looks at as the stacks together. DICE is our unique platform to address the integrated approach than a siloed approach. So what is DICE? DICE is nothing but your data integrator in a connected entity and ecosystem. What does this do is we give a holistic approach of the data. The future is all about data. So we take the data. From data, we provide value insights. We are very good as a siloed thing also, where our platform can be leveraged to get into the IoT aspect, which is IoT stacks, integrated to the edge stacks, and as well as into the machine learning and artificial built-in algorithms according to the client's requirement, and finally putting into the blockchain to make it as immutable, decentralized, and then finally on top of it, we have created a DApp environment which gives the entire ecosystem from data sourcing to data analyzing to data automation, and finally making data secure. Internet of Things is the data sourcer, which is a connected ecosystem value, and machine learning is data analyzer, and artificial intelligence is a data automator, and finally blockchain is the data secure. Every industries and MSME are looking at a holistic approach where they can see a value from the connectedness. So I assume that, right, there is a bigger value to look into it, and then they have to adopt into the digital transformation to have their assets or their things available to be digitized, their organizations to be digitized through various aspects. Like for example, a few areas if I want to adoption, right, they have to be very good at skilling, they have to be very good at the connected ecosystem, they have to have people processes, they have to have the technology adoption, to name a few. MSME to be a very successful journey where we have to look at the aspects of, for example, and like some loans, we have to give some support from the government in the tax benefits that they have to provide, and like placement, skilling, business models, and so on. COVID has brought entirely a new culture into the environment. That's what the today's norm is, the new normal. People are talking about this new normal, which are the Industry 4.0 initiatives, the digital transformation initiatives, the digital technological initiative, the disruptive technologies adoption. The second aspect, which are the collaboration tools, right? For example, how do I adopt to this? In the post-COVID-19 scenario, what are the different adoptions I have to take care to be market successful? For example, you have to go for the online collaboration tools. For example, you have to go into the new business models, and then you have to go different channels, marketing channels, connected way, and to have to go to the cloud, Industry 4 solutions, and different disruptive technologies to be adaptable in an agile way.
For more updates from CXO TV, please like and subscribe to our channel.